Samsung is gearing ready for its huge Galaxy Unpacked event next week, which is already promising 2 new foldable phones, 2 sets of wireless earbuds, 2 smartwatches, and a smart ring for fitness monitoring. A little more than 1 week before the launch, Samsung began advertising its future items with gigantic Galaxy Unpacked billboards. The business has put these massive digital advertising billboards in key areas across the globe. In cities including New York, Dubai, London, Bangkok, Warsaw, and Tokyo, billboards advertising the Galaxy Unpacked event began to appear in prominent locations. Samsung's billboards promote the release of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 foldable smartphones. They're building excitement for the event by announcing that Galaxy AI is now available. The new foldable phones will use Galaxy AI technologies that were initially introduced on the Galaxy S24 series earlier this year. Similar billboards will emerge in additional places before the event next week. This event, which takes place soon before the Paris 2024 Olympics, is expected to reveal new goods including as the Galaxy Buds 3, Buds 3 Pro, Galaxy Watch 7, Watch Ultra, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and Z Fold 6. If you're looking forward to the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, you can get a sneak glance at the hardware specifications immediately. The newest leak highlights considerable improvements to the Galaxy Z Flip 6. It will look similar to the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and will emphasize on internal enhancements. According to credible source Aisan Agarwal, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with full HD Plus quality and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, with 12 GB of RAM and storage choices of 256 or 512 GB. This is a step up over last year's Galaxy Z Flip 5, which had 8 GB of RAM. The next foldable phone is said to contain a 50-megapixel primary back camera with a f1.8 aperture, as well as a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a f2.2 aperture. It is also claimed to include a 10-megapixel front-facing camera with a f2.2 aperture on the main screen. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.